Georgia Tech was initially established in 1885 to help move the state of Georgia from an agrarian-based economy to an industry-based economy. And as such, manufacturing has played a huge role in the development, growth, and success of Georgia Tech.
The genesis of GTMI is really a great example of public-private partnership. It started in 1991 when Georgia Tech, the Department of Defense, AT&T, Ford, Intel, and Motorola created this world-class research organization.
When I first joined GTMI, the research focus was fairly narrow. Topics such as printed circuit board assembly research, early stage precision machining research, some work on environmentally conscious manufacturing, and early work on rapid prototyping.
In the early 90s, we built up a team of people that were outstanding, and they were recognized nationally and internationally. It was very exciting. I still think about it, and I still get a smile on my face every time I think about all the good times we had.
It's been here for 30 years. It speaks to both the commitments of Georgia Tech, the expertise that we built in this area. It's very important that we celebrate it and also look forward.
In 2012, we changed the name from the original Manufacturing Research Center to the current Georgia Tech Manufacturing Institute to signify the expansion of our mission.
GTMI focuses on advanced manufacturing, which is a relatively new term to describe new areas, emerging areas, tissue biofabrication, cell therapies, additive manufacturing or 3D printing, Industry 4.0, or what we call Internet of Things for manufacturing.
Boeing has had a long relationship with Georgia Tech that has been beneficial to them for many years. Between the professors and students on campus, GTRI, GTMI, and everyone involved, there's such a high caliber of learning and research going on here.
Over the years, it has come to be an essential home for researchers in engineering, in data-related sciences, and in policy and other areas committed to making the United States and the companies that are relevant to the state of Georgia top of their field in manufacturing.
Building a strong manufacturing base is a national imperative. Technology-based innovation is the dominant driver of economic growth in the 21st century. National security, standard of living, and rebuilding middle class all depends on a strong manufacturing base.
GTMI is a unique institute partner in that they have an ecosystem within industry, within government, as well as within the academic community to bring the right partners together on very challenging topics as early as possible to begin to think about roadmaps.
GTMI has helped us move from an environment where manufacturing was viewed as dirty, dumb, and dying to one where manufacturing is the leading edge, the cutting edge of technologies. Manufacturing electronic components, new devices, new instruments, and cell-based tissue.
I see a bright future for GTMI. I see it expanding the impact that it is making already in terms of research, in terms of education, workforce development, and impact to local and global industry.
Innovation creates the future. We don't know what materials we will be working with tomorrow and in the future, but we will continue to be on the forefront of manufacturing innovation.